Hey guys, just wanted to share a little quick how to wire an EPO switch. In our case here, we're using we have an Eaton color hammer panel, right? We installed 3 of them, and each main has its own shunt trip. Shunt trips are being fed by this circuit number 2. We have 2 leads that come out of the side here of this breaker. One lead, the white lead, goes to the neutral. The yellow lead goes to the EPO switch, which EPO stands for emergency power off. And then the other side of the EPO switch comes back to circuit 2, right? So in case of an emergency, as you're running out of this door here, you come by this panel, by this push button, hit panel 3, and it kills all the power to this panel. You see it set the breaker to trip position, right? Kills all that. And right now, all we have in here is a 100 amp 3-phase condenser on the roof and a 3-phase 30 amp evaporator. So that's all it's feeding right now, but eventually this will be full of 20 amp breakers for this computer center that we're doing. Same thing with this panel. This panel just has 1 right now. That breaker is feeding the shunt trip, right? But eventually this will be feeding computer equipment, and same thing for panel 1. Has the other set of condensers and evaporator. And then eventually they'll have some breakers that'll feed the computer equipment. So then, because we didn't use the momentary type push button, we had to come over here and pull it in order to reset the main on this panel. And that's it. So any questions, comments, leave them below. You can see this is just the rest of the job. We didn't really do anything with the lighting. That was all existing, and then they did a raised floor. But just trying to see if maybe might help somebody out down the road. All right, thanks guys.